I'm back at the Frankstown branch of the Juniata River. It's, I think, June 19th. And I'm going to give this another shot for some bass, or anything, really, anything that I can catch here. But I'm using this, I think it's like a green pump and rage crawler, like a 3.25 inch swim bait. This has changed a lot since I was here the last time. This was all wide open a month ago. Now it's just completely full of weeds and all kinds of growth and everything, so it might be a little tough fishing. But my plan is to just work my way down the Frankstown branch of the Juniata, maybe all the way down to Water Street. And I'm just going to try to catch some fish today. Let's see if I can catch a fish, and any fish will do, any bass will do at this point. Fishing a small river like this, I'm not really out for a personal best or anything like that. I just want to catch some fish. Look at all this vegetation. How am I supposed to cast? There was one in there, missed him. Got one already on that swim bait. Got him. They're fighting. I wonder if that's another trout. Probably the same trout that I caught the last time. Huh. That's a nice fighter. I bet you that is that trout. He went right after that swim bait. Holy cow. Stay on there. Stay on there, fish. Come on. Stay on there. No, that's a bass. Alright. Alright. Nice one. That's what I was after. That's exactly what I was after. Hold on. Ah, that was nice. Real nice. Just barely got him. I'm excited about this. Come on. Hold on, hold on. Ow! You're just making things worse. Look at that. Nice smallie. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Like it a lot. That's exactly what I set out for today. I'm gonna get a still photo of this. Nice smallie. I really like this. This is a nice bass. Nice smallmouth. Like on my first cast. Really nice. Smallmouth caught on a little swim bait. You go, little fish. You go, little fish. Swim another day. There you go. Thank you. Excellent. Just that one fish alone makes this trip worth it. Yo! Don't fall in this stinky ass mud. Well, we got here early this morning, but I only caught one fish so far, and we're burning daylight, and I have a lot of water to cover, so let's go find another spot. Let's move downstream. Okay, the water's pretty clear, and the skies are blue, so I'm gonna switch from this Rage Swimmer. It's a green pumpkin Rage Swimmer, and I'm gonna switch over to this Kitech. It's not exactly translucent, but it kind of is. I like this spot. I feel like I'm gonna catch some fish right here in this little pool. I had a hard time getting down in here because there isn't a path. It's steeper than hell, but I found a way down in. So got one. Oh yeah, yeah, nice one. Nice smallie. Woo! Nice one. I was just about to say my swim bait's too big. I need to downsize, and then I'd catch this. Yeah. Nice. Ah! You gotta be kidding me. That. Well, I'd be lying to you if I told you that I wasn't heartbroken over losing that bass. So I just decided, just for the heck of it, to switch up to the Yum Dinger rig wacky style. So let's see what that'll do. I have a feeling it's going to catch me something big. Getting a bite. Got him on a Wacky Rig. Yeah, Wacky Rig. Yum Dinger. Putting up a little bit of a fight. Must be a smallie. Come on, whatever you are, come on. I want to break this one off. I sort of let him take some drag. Yeah, that's a nice one. I can tell. Looks decent. Actually, it looks real nice. Nice. There's all kinds of bass in there swimming around. Oh yeah. Holy crap. I might stay in this spot, because I know I can catch another one. You can't see those fish, but I'm telling you what, there are some nice fish in this water. And I gotta get this one out without breaking it. I need a net. Yeah, nice one. Nice smallies. This is the first, well, that one a few minutes ago. Nice. That last one I caught was the first smallie of the year. Come on. Yum Dingers always catch fish. Wacky rigs. Like, why don't we fish wacky rigs all the time? Because it's so easy, we want to try other things. No, come on. Fight. I only have 8-pound line on, and you saw how he broke that last one off. Just gotta take it easy on him. Let him fight him. Let him fight and play himself out. Herself. Nice looking bass. Really nice. If this keeps up, I might not make it down to Water Street. All right, come on, fish. There's another one following it. That's a nice one. Really pretty fish. Come on. Let's not ruin this. I'll get you unhooked here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the biggest fish I caught this year. See that? Really nice one. Very nice. Very nice. Gotta get him unhooked, guys. I got him hooked really good. Poke my eye out. There. Okay. Really nice fish. Frankstown branch of the Juniata River right there. Real nice one. I don't know what that is, about a 2-pounder probably. There you go. Well, I know I can catch another one. Because there's more in there. Well, while I was reeling that last one in, there was another big one following it. And just trailing it like the whole time, so I want to try and catch that one. These Wacky Rigs, they sure do work well. These Yum Dingers, I discovered those about 6 or 7 years ago and just caught fish after fish off of those things. Like, they're perfect, especially like, you know, for finesse fishing, like when the water's really super warm, or not so much, for me, like not so much when it's cold, but when it gets warm, like the doldrums of summer, when the fish just aren't biting. This rig works really well. These Wacky Rigs are so simple. It's just a hook with your stick bait, and I like these Yum Dingers because they have this this green accent on it, this chartreuse accent, and I do catch a lot of fish off of these. I don't know what size this is, 5 or 6 inches. And to fish them, like you can fish them in all different kinds of waters. Not so much fast water, but anytime the water's slow moving, like this slow moving pool of water, or in a dam or a pond, and I just cast it out, let it sink. Mine actually needs a little bit of weight on it because it's not sinking real fast. I should probably have it sinking a little faster, and then I just kind of jig it along. Just pull it up and let it sink down. Pick it up, let it sink down. And when the fish hit it, they don't hit it real hard. Sometimes you can't even tell that they hit it. Sometimes I'll put this on a drop shot too. If I know there's a fish out there and it's not biting, I can't catch it on anything, I'll rig this up, this Wacky worm, up to a drop shot, and just kind of try to put it right in front of that fish and just jig it up and down in that same spot. But this is a nice spot right here. There's fish in there. Surprised at how big those fish are. Alright, one more cast and I'm going to move down river. And I know that if I'd stick around, I'd catch these fish, but I don't want to just stick around in the same spot today. Part of my goal today is to learn a little bit about the water, about the river. And a nice rule of thumb about fishing is that when you say that one more cast and you're leaving, it really means 2 more casts. Okay, I moved on to a different spot, and I've caught some fish here before, some smallies, so some small smallies, so hopefully I catch something again using the Wacky Rig.